In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register a hotel on booking.com. If you want to list your hotel and start reaching travelers through one of the world's most popular booking platforms, this process is fairly straightforward. I'll walk you through the first part of the setup so you know exactly where to begin and what to expect on the screen. Start by going to the official booking.com website. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct site. This is important because you want to begin your registration from the official platform and avoid any confusion with third-party pages. On the homepage, you'll be able to access the area designed for property owners and managers. Next, look for the option that says List Your Property and click on it. This is the main entry point for anyone who wants to register a hotel, apartment, guest house, or other accommodation on booking.com. In many cases, this button will take you to Booking's partner registration area where you can begin creating your property listing. Once you're there, you'll usually be guided through the registration flow. This includes setting up your basic account or profile, entering your property details, and continuing through the verification process. As you move forward, make sure the information you provide is accurate and complete. Clear property details can help prevent delays later and make your listing stronger from the start. After that, click on Get Started Now. This is the button that begins the actual onboarding process for your hotel listing. From here, Booking.com will typically ask for information related to your property, such as the type of accommodation, location, and other setup details needed to create your listing properly. As a general tip, it's a good idea to have your hotel's business and property information ready before you begin. That can make the process smoother and help you complete the registration more efficiently. You'll also want to pay attention to any verification prompts or required fields, since these are often necessary before your property can go live on the platform. That's the starting process for registering your hotel on booking.com. Begin on the official website, select List Your Property, and then choose Get Started Now to move into the registration and setup stage. If you follow each screen carefully and enter your details accurately, you'll be in a good position to continue building your listing and prepare it for future guests.